Guys, this is so exciting. The brand new iMac Bean. I can't believe I have early access. Oh, this is really difficult. Beanie, if you could just grab that end. Just grab that bit. There, thanks. What is this? Ooh, there's so much great detailing when it comes to this iMac. Like, it's got an orange handle strap and everything. If you see my iPhone in the corner here, it's because I'm also filming Talks. Ellie Awesome Tech on the top. Get on it. What model do I have here? Because this was sent to me by Apple, which is incredible. I grew up with iMacs. I've been reviewing tech online for just over 10 years now, and Apple has sent me this. So it's a really serendipitous moment. 512 gigabyte, 8 gig RAM. On each side, it has what the iMac looks like. I assume it's true to life, which is very exciting. The back looks incredible. All right. Whoa. I can see the words hello on the screen here. Oh my gosh. So open this side out, and it kind of unveils itself. What? Look at that. I'll give you guys a close up. That's crazy. I love that. Do we lift out the iMac next? Oh my gosh. This is so lightweight. I have a 27-inch Retina iMac that's maybe 3 to 5 years old. I shifted around a lot. This feels like an iPad. What the? This is absolutely insane. Here we go. Wow. Oh, you didn't get to see much. Okay, well, the back is just incredible. This is so thin and lightweight. Look at the color. I am honestly in shock. Time to take off the hello. Oh, wow. That is stunning. The white bezel looks great in real life. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Apple always does something different, gets the debates going, and then it ends up being the norm and stunning. I really think the white bezel move is abstract, but that's what I've always loved about Apple. I mean, look at this thing. What computer does this? So there's a few things I need to peel off on the back, but I might do that up close on a desk. I'm gonna put that aside. I still can't get over this. I could carry it with me. I can. Ugh. It's awkward. All right, guys, thanks for the great meeting. We'll catch you next one. This is more or less padding, but if we pull this tab here, oh, this is so cool. The orange looks so good. We've got the charging cable, got documents. Oh, it even comes with the trackpad. That's so cool. I don't know why I forgot that. And the magic mouse. Wow. Oh man. This is a nice keyboard. That is so thin. Magic trackpad, all this great recyclable packaging. There must be so much that goes into all this packaging, the design of it. Whoa, I did not expect that. Did anyone know it was coming with a colored Apple sticker? Hold on. 2. This one's almost like a rose gold, and this one's definitely the orange color of the Mac. That's crazy. The size actually seems decent. Like, I'm used to working on a 27, but we shall see. It's time to peel off the back. All the way around. Ooh. I'm gonna set up the power supply. I'm about to fire it up for the first time. Ooh. I hope everything works because I haven't charged anything yet. Ooh, turn mouse to on. It's telling me to pair the mouse and the keyboard by just switching their little buttons into the on position. Just switch this little tab here. Ooh, now that is a beautiful machine. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. Subscribe for more videos like this. Follow me on the Talk and Insta, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.